guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am filming a get ready with me. Guys, before we begin this video, make sure to like. It helps me out a lot. It helps YouTube know that people are engaged. Also subscribe and hit the notification bell, that way you will know every time we upload a video. Put on some makeup and get ready, so keep on watching. Alright guys, so now I'm just gonna get myself ready. I'm gonna show you guys how I get ready for work and how I do my makeup when I have to go to work. I tend to go simple during the week. It all depends on the look that I want to go for. Sometimes I want to put a little bit more effort into my makeup, and other days I don't. The foundation that I use is the Wet n Wild Bronze Beige Photo Focus foundation. I'll list everything down below. I'm super tired. I don't know if you can tell. These bags under my eyes. I gotta see if I try to make it to bed early today. I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. I'm not gonna put that much on, just a little bit. I don't get tired. Now with this concealer, the application, like, you have to be super quick with it. I mean, it's not a bad concealer, but I feel like I need something that's more hydrating, because I feel like sometimes it dries the skin around my eyes. That's how I feel. I could be wrong. Next, I'm gonna apply loose mineral powder in the color Banana. I'm gonna use this brush. I'm just gonna put it underneath my eye. I'm going to apply the Maybelline Fit Loose Finishing Powder in the color Light Medium. Okay, so I'm going to be using these two colors. I'm going to be using this blush. I'm going to go in with some highlight. Next, I'm going to go in with this brush, and I'm going to take some of this highlight and I'm going to apply it up here on my brow bone. Now I'm gonna take this brush right here and I'm gonna take the same highlight and I'm just gonna put it here. And next I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I'm gonna be using this brush right here. And then I'm gonna be using the same black eyeshadow that I've been using throughout all my videos. Guys, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I'll be right back. You guys have seen me do this a bunch of times, so I don't wanna bore you.
Alright, so now that's done, I'm gonna not do that.
I'm gonna apply eyeshadow. I'm gonna be using the Beauty Treats palette. And this is what the colors look like. I'm gonna use, I think I'll use this color right here. All over my eyelid. I'm gonna go and curl my eyelashes. I'm gonna be using the Wet n Wild Mega Volume Mascara in the color Very Black. I'm done with my eyes and I'm done with everything else. I'm just gonna put on some chapstick. I am loving this chapstick. I got it at Dollar Tree. It's from the brand, I think, Arvo, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. And the Tropical Coconut Lip Balm has vitamin E and aloe. And it's really good, I like it. And then I'm just gonna apply some of the LA Color Shiny Lip Gloss. Just apply a little bit and then I'll take my finger and I'll just do that. And that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Also follow us on Facebook, Snapchat, and on Instagram. And until next time, guys, bye. Mwah!